The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 feels like the holy grail of foldable phones. It's super thin and light, so it feels like a regular phone in your pocket. And yet, the new Fold packs a bigger 8-inch display when opened. Samsung also upgraded the camera system, including a 200 megapixel main shooter and an ultra-wide camera that takes much better macros. And having Gemini Live always at the ready is a game changer. The $2000 price is super expensive and Samsung ditched the S Pen, but overall, this is the best foldable money can't buy. It's pretty rare that I am so excited by a foldable phone that I am tempted to buy it. This is one of those times. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is not yet another iterative upgrade. It is a huge leap forward in terms of design. It's so thin and light. I was shocked every time I picked it up for the first week of using the phone. You are no longer being penalized for wanting a phone and tablet in one device. In fact, the Fold 7 is lighter than both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra and also thinner than both of those phones when open. That's pretty freaking amazing for a foldable with a enormous 8-inch display on the inside, a 6.5-inch screen on the outside, and a powerful new 200 megapixel camera. At the same time, Samsung is charging a staggering $2000 for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is the second price hike on this model in 2 years. And the phone maker made some sacrifices to get he fold this thin. Bye bye S Pen. Now that I have been living with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, here is my reasons to buy and skip in my full review, and how it stacks up to other flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Who is this for? Power users looking for a tablet and phone in one device without the usual foldable phone penalty of heft and bulk. What does it cost? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts at $1,999 US. That's a $100 price hike over the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the US. What do I like? The amazingly thin and light design, the larger displays, more advanced 200 megapixel camera, and the seamless integration of Gemini Live AI. What do I not like? Other than the sticker shock of that price, the unsightly punch hole camera on the main display, and the just okay battery life, some may miss the S Pen. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts at $1,999 US for 256 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. No, that's not a typo. That's $100 more than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the most expensive phone you can buy in the US. The Fold 7 is more affordable in the UK and Australia, with prices starting at £1,799 and $2,899 Australian dollar. Opting for the 512 GB model will run you $2,199 US. Want to try 1 terabyte? You are looking at $2,419 US, but at least that includes a bump in RAM to 16 GB. The large camera lamp on the back holds the 200 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel 3x telephoto cameras. The Fold 7 also has two 10 megapixel selfie cameras, one in each screen. The main 200 megapixel camera is the best of the bunch, matching that from the S25 Edge. It is a top drawer camera capable of capturing great images across a range of lighting conditions, and it is a significant upgrade on previous generation phones. The 12 megapixel ultra wide camera is solid and capable of taking some very good close-up macro photos, which is always fun. The 3x telephoto camera is equally good, producing great portraits, but it gets a bit soft and grainy indoors and can't match the 5x zooms on top slab phones. The selfie cameras are a similar story, with great detail in good light that quickly becomes a bit grainy indoors. You can shoot selfies with the main camera using the outside screen as a viewfinder when the phone is open, which produces much better results. The camera app has plenty of modes, is straightforward to use, and shoots equally solid video. Overall, the Fold 7 has a great camera system that is not a significant downgrade on flagship slab phones, which is thoroughly impressive. Here are some camera samples of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung has done it. They have won over a foldable phone skeptic with a design that just feels right. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a trump of engineering, packing larger displays in a design that's so thin and light you forget that you are carrying a foldable around. You get two vibrant screens in one device, awesome multitasking power, and a flagship-grade camera system. And the AI features really shine on this bigger canvas, especially Gemini live screen sharing. So what's the problem? The $2000 price is super steep, and I wish Samsung found a way to pack in a larger battery. I personally can live without the S Pen, though creatively inclined users may be peeved, and I really don't mind the punch hole camera. The megapixel upgrade makes up for it. I think the Galaxy S25 Ultra is better option if you want longer battery life, even better cameras, and S Pen support for hundreds less. But if you are even thinking about splurging for a foldable, you will be more than happy with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's the best foldable phone you can buy in the US and maybe the world. It finally feels like the future we were promised is here.